Meaning of elm.
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 Elm. Elm is a deciduous tree that belongs to the Ulmaceae family. It is known for its attractive grain patterns and durability, making it a popular choice for furniture making and interior finishing. Elm wood is commonly used in flooring, cabinetry, and paneling due to its strength and resistance to splitting. The tree can grow up to 40 meters in height and has a dense crown of foliage. Elm trees have been traditionally revered in many cultures for their beauty and symbolism, with some Native American tribes using them in healing rituals.